Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Haley Prince, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you me cleaning out my refrigerator because it really needs it, and I'm going to do it too because I have two refrigerators. One outside and one inside, which is right here. So, excuse me. Okay, so, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you on the refrigerator and all the things I'm going to be cleaning out. I'm not going to be cleaning out the freezers, just the refrigerator. So, yeah. Okay, so this is what the refrigerator looks like now. Very messy. And this is our drink fridge. This is also where my mom used to keep her vape juice. And then there's some non-beverages. And then there's beverages. I'm gonna try to do that one out there too, but come on, buddy. Buddy, come in here, boy. So yeah, first I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna do this refrigerator first, but now first I'm gonna go put on a coat because it's gonna be freezing. Okay, so I put on my jacket. Now, can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. Okay. So, first I'm going to start by emptying it like one at a time. So, yeah, I'm going to put it in the time lapse of that because it's probably going to take me like 2 hours. So, I took out shelves and I got to put them back. But first, I have to find a spot for this, but I also have to make sure that it's in. Okay, so get some butter and that's some Black Coke. So yeah, first here's this shelf. It's really gross. Also, in the last clip that y'all saw me doing, I used this Clean Freak Deep Cleaning Mist and this Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner by Lysol. And be right back. I gotta go let my dog out. Hey! Love you. Mwah. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put it in time lapse. But first, the products that I use are this Dawn Power Wash or this, which is just dish soap, and probably this. It's either gonna be that or this. So yeah, putting in a time lapse now. So I put everything that we needed to go back in the refrigerator over here. So here is the first one. Then the second one. all, and I cleaned them all, and in total, this is everything that was in all of them. That was came out of one, and then oh, that fit a lot. So the thing is with the drinks, I'm not gonna put no drinks in there because I have another spot that I'm gonna put the drinks, but instead, like, I'm going to put barbecue sauce and stuff like that. And then this Bud Light is going to go outside because and then along with the Seagrams in there, because there's no reason for them to be in the main fridge. Like, if you're going to go out to get alcohol, I mean, you can go your way down them steps. So that's how I feel about it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get to putting everything back up and organizing it the way that I want it. I'm also doing one of the reasons I'm doing this, and because I have two reasons why I'm doing this. Because number one, it's such a disaster. I'm sitting here like searching for the fridge, trying to do everything, and then second, my mom is sick, and I want to do something special for her, and I know that she'll like it. The fact that I'm doing this. So yeah. Okay, so this is the final product. I put this pepper, whatever is in here, in a container, and I put it in this shelves with the Milky Way I found in here. I don't know if they're still any good, but I put them in here just in case. And then here's some, I don't even know what that is. I just put it in there because why not? And then that's what we got up in here. Yeah, so now I'm about to do this shelf. So first, I'm going to help if I can just take everything out of it. So, yeah. Then here's are some of the containers that I can use for this process. I'm just gonna wash this and I'll see you guys when I'm done. So it's clean out now, so I'm just gonna put it back in the refrigerator. So start by putting in all of the meat. So first, I'm going to start by all the turkeys and hams. They stack up right there. you know what? I'm not sure just gonna put the cheese on here so that way it's not so crowded, because very crowded if it is down here. So yeah, that's good. So now I'm just gonna get all the alcoholic beverages and I'm gonna take them outside and I'm gonna put in the time lapse of me doing that. So yeah. I guess my time lapse got messed up, so yeah. So now guys, it's time to go and empty out these drawers, which that's old. This definitely old. Don't know about that. There's flour all over it. Cool beans. Get it? Cool beans. Cool beans. Get it? Here's flour that got everywhere. So, I mean, fabulous. This is buttermilk biscuits, that's good. More cool beans. More cool beans. This is actually black eyed peas. More black eyed peas. I'll probably forgot we had those. And then freaking black beans. I didn't ruin my leggings from this flour. Ew. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this out. I will see you guys then. I'm also gonna clean up under and I'm gonna clean that out. So see you guys then. So this is expired by less than a month. This has an expiration date. Best Buy. No expiration date. So we can keep that. No date. Date. So I'm just gonna take it out. These have no date on them. Okay, so now it is time for the second drawer, and there's no reason for me to explain because I've been doing this for the past like 2 hours now. So yeah, I'm just gonna see you guys whenever the I got drawer number 1 done. Now I'm gonna see you guys when I do drawer number 2. So I got drawer number 1 and drawer number 2 done, and I got the side of the fridge done, and then now I'm just gonna move on to the center. I want to do like one itty bitty thing at a time. So I've done this, 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 and this. Now I'm gonna work on this, and this, and this. So to get started, I'm just gonna start by taking out everything if my dog will move. I love you, buddy. But he said, "Oh, I'm curious. I don't know what everything is in here. I've never seen nothing being taken out before."
Cleaning up?
Yeah, I'm cleaning up the refrigerator.
All right. At least somebody is.
Sorry guys, this vlog, like this video is probably all over the place. I don't know what this is. It looks like an alcoholic beverage. that is no good. Well, shoot. Okay. So now, this part is going to be the drink part. Yeah, so that's going to be that. Now is the Diet Coke part. So I'm going to start by lining up Diet Cokes. That's going to go all the way up and back down. So now I'm going to add Sprite. Then if I have enough room, I'm going to add Dr. Pepper. But I know for a fact I have enough room for these two. But then the real question is, am I going to have enough Coke? So far this is what the refrigerator looks like. I only have 2 more to do. I'm so excited. So yeah, that, and then that. Now it's time to start taking everything out. Fudge. Oh God. I forgot. These are open? That's disgusting. Don't know what that is. Well, shoot. You know, today is just like not going as planned. So anyways, I'm going to empty all of this out. Then I'm going to redo it. That's all. Like, and maybe spray it out. So here's the final results on the side door. Pull that down. And then here is that drawer that I redone. Then here's the other drawers. And then here's a drink. So that can go right up there. And then there's that. There's the drawers down there. And then there's that. And then there's that. Then there is that. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm not going to be able to do the second one without this video being like 15 minutes long. So, yeah, I've been sitting here for about maybe 3 hours doing this. It's about got dark on me. And, yeah, so I'm not going to get to the second one today, but I definitely will try to within the next few weeks. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.